Malicious person, right?
तो बोलती मैं नहीं दे रही।
Did you see the next
लोग जैसे ऐसे भी जाहिल आए हैं यार, ऐसे भी जाहिल लोग आए हैं।
और नहीं करते लोग अभी भी वीडियो बना रहे हैं, अभी प्रेजेंटेशन है इसका।
पेपर राइटिंग करना
की हिदायत पर तामीर की गई है। ये दोनों सईद मीर शमसुद्दीन इराकी रहमतुल्लाह अलैह के साथियों में से थे, जो बाद में इस इलाके में तशरीफ लाए हैं। ये दोनों बड़ी हिसाब से बल्तिस्तान लापता हो गया। आज बल्तिस्तान का अकीदा है कि वो बल्तिस्तान के एक पहाड़ पर मब इबादत रहते थे और वहां से ये गायब हो गया। और फिर हैदर शाह बल्तिस्तान में वासिल भाग हो गया। इनका आस्थाना ज़ियारत आम व खास है। राजा छीनंजर की शादी कर्दों की एक शहजादी से हुई और करते बोलकर शहजादी का नाम थेला खातून पड़ा। उनके साथ राजा कर्दों ने अखुन मोहम्मद शरीफ को भेजा था। अखुन साहिब तबलीग से और थेला खातून व राजा आया। इस वक्त जनाब कमर अली अखुन साहिब और मरहूम शेख कासिम अखुन मोहम्मद शरीफ के कदीले सजीद पर बड़ा एहसान है। नाज़रीन किराम, मैं खुद छुचोर गाँव के बाशिंदा होने की वजह से इस मस्जिद शरीफ खानखा व इमाम बाड़ा छुचोर रुकमा के बारे में हमें बुजुर्गों से सुनाई बात और खुद चश्मदीद बातें सुनाना चाहता हूँ। ये दोनों बाबरकत और असर पजीर मकामात न सिर्फ छुचोर बल्कि नुब्रा, करगिल, तरार, ज़ांस्कर, लेह, खास के अलावा कश्मीर से भी लोग ज़ियारत के लिए आकर अपने मुरादें पूरी करके वापस चला जाता है।
अच्छा खासा टाइम मिला रहा है।
Kata sini. Gimana?
Below the horizon, painting the majestic peaks of Kargil in hues of gold and crimson, we gather to mark the culmination of a truly academically and culturally formidable journey. The 21st International Association for Ladakh Studies Conference has been a tapestry woven with the threads of intellect, dialogue, and a shared passion for soul of this land. I am Mohammed Tawheed, and along with me are my fellows Marzia Le and Farzana Le, and it is an honor beyond measure for us to render our services as your sincere hosts on this final celebratory evening.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. As the sun sets on this incredible 4 days journey, we welcome you to the closing ceremony of the 21st International Association for Ladakh Studies Conference at Kargil, organized by Ladakh Academy of Art, Culture and Languages in collaboration with IALS and supported by University of Ladakh. It is my distinct honor to welcome our chief guest, Honorable Chairman, LHDC, Shri Dr. Jafar Akhund Sahib. I would like to request Tanazir, Deputy Secretary, Ladakh Academy of Art, Culture and Languages, to kindly welcome the VIPs with traditional khataks. To guest of honor for today's occasion, Honorable Member of Parliament Ladakh, Shri Haji Hanifa Jan Sahib. I would like to extend a warm welcome to Honorable Vice Chancellor, University of Ladakh, Professor Dr. Saket Kushwaha. Our special guest for today's occasion, Honorable Executive Councillors of LHDC Kargil, Shri Kachu Muhammad Feroz Sahib, Shri Engineer Punsok Tashi Sahib, Shri Zakir Hussain Sahib. I would also like to extend a warm welcome to special guest worthy Deputy Commissioner CEO LHDC Kargil, Shri Rakesh Kumar Sahib, Sanam Bang CPO Kargil, Shri Hadi Sahib. I would also like to extend a warm welcome to Madam Monisha Ahmadji, President IALS. I would also like to extend a warm welcome to
21st ILS conference in Kargil, which was long awaited, almost more than 10 years. At the same place in 2015, the Culture Academy then, JNK Culture Academy got this opportunity that we are able to organize similar conference at this beautiful place. After a decade, all of our esteemed guests, very warm welcome on the behalf of Ladakh Cultural Academy, District Administration Kargil, Ladakh Autonomous Government Kargil, and of course the ILS and the University of Ladakh. I warmly welcome all of you, especially Honorable Chairman, Chief Executive Councillor, Ladakh Autonomous Government Council, Dr. Jafar Ali Muhammad Jafar Akhund, Honorable Member of Parliament, Haji Hanifa Jan Sahab, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Jinab Khushwan Ji, worthy Deputy Commissioner Rakesh Kumar Ji, Honorable Executive Councillor, Zanskar Affairs and Rural Trashile, Honorable Chairman, Ladakh Hajj Committee, Jinab Majaz Sahab, worthy Additional Deputy Commissioner, Kachu Imtiaz Sahab, State Awardee, Kachu Asfandar Khan, retired IS, Madam Kanis Sahiba, retired Commissioner JNV Samiti. Of course, I forget to mention the name of our more energetic Madam Monisha Ahmad, Honorable President of ILS, Joint Director Jinab Hadi Sahab, worthy Principal Ma'am Deskile, our former ex-President Kaan Chugle, our senior member, ILS member from Kargil, Ka Nasir Munshi, similarly Ka Gulzar Munshi, Dr. Dr. Raza, and the esteemed guests. So,
honor, I, Farzana Parveen, the co-host of today's evening event, welcome you all again to the closing ceremony of 21st International Association for Ladakh Studies Conference, here in the historic land of Kargil. The IALS has, since its inception, been a guiding light in bringing together scholars from across South Asia and beyond, providing a platform to share ideas, researches, and dialogue on Ladakh. Through its biennial conferences, published proceedings, and its journal, Ladakh Studies, IALS ensures that Ladakh's history, literature, culture, ecology,
geography, architecture, and tradition find their place in the global academic conversations. This conference has been a meeting of minds and traditions, where scholars presented their research with depth and passion, and where Ladakh's cultural heritage was celebrated with pride. Kesari Tafayot Malsa Khaigla. Kesari Tafayot Malsa Khaigla Thungadlo Chandanishing Malsa Chigla. Beautiful verses by Padma Shri awardee Akhwan Asghar Ali Basharat Sahab, a prominent Balti poet and author, that translates to: the presence of Kesar is still felt in many places, and the art of Chandan, a famous wood artisan, is still seen here, as in the magnificent Chiktan Razikhar.
distinguished guests और जितने भी यहाँ पर स्कॉलर्स आए हैं तो सबको झूले को नमस्कार कहना चाहूँगा। और सबसे ज़्यादा मैं नाजिर सर और रिजन साहब को धन्यवाद कहना चाहूँगा कि क्योंकि मुझे स्कॉलर्स लोगों के सामने यहाँ पर बुलाकर कुछ दो चार शब्द गाने के लिए कहा, तो उन्होंने आप लोगों को बहुत ही धन्यवाद नाजिर साहब। लंगोला dosi lalangona nyelangar se tayang yuluskil thonge lankar se yuluskil bolaste na aoloma vetayang limbu kile lankar se yuskil bolaste na oloma vetayang yuluskil thonge oma ve oma verzindi nalandena Shalalos kyange Skya parme shalo malainsu Ngano movetayang Shalalolasmo Oh, skya parme shalo malainsu Ngano movetayang Shalalolasmo. Thank you, sir. Take down, sir. Dinirang se sangmaso hoyang nange hasudinam zyang dinirang se sangmaso yang nangatu samatu yang nangabarbe sangmaso yang nangatu samatu yang nangabarbe sangmaso ये वाला और जो अभी गर्दिश सोरीलो परिणाम को मसोरे नरगिस ये जिन्ना संपो लोक सेंगामियों दुश्मनी गोएका मिश्कुरा संकस्मानी सोएका लोक सेंगामियों दुश्मनी सोएका मिश्कुरा संकस्मानी सोएका ऐसा सब कुछ गाने को मेरे को मिला था सर तो अभी इसके बाद ट्रैक पे जा रहा हूँ सर मैं
वाचेनले अशितानी बोयता माटे मो अशितानी बोयता माटे मो मोके जादा गई देगे मोके जादा गई देगे आई वो संभो कोनोली कोने रे तले देगे ला 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 ला
techniques of writing poetic versions, and the last chapter has a lesson about recognizing the faults in writing poetry. All in all, it is one of the most referential texts in the Himalayan region for studying poetic writing. However, the book is particularly related with the second chapter and the composer of this book, self-composed poetic examples.
Dr. Jafar Akhund Sahib. A token of appreciation being presented by Madam Monisha and Nazir Hussain Sahib. A token of appreciation for Honorable MP Ladakh, Shri Haji Hanifa Jan Sahib. A token of appreciation for Honorable Vice Chancellor, University of Ladakh, Shri Dr. Professor Sakir Kushwaha Sahib, Haji Hanifa Jan Sahib, Member of Parliament Ladakh. A token of appreciation for Honorable Councillor of LHDC Kargil, Shri Engineer Punsab Tashi Sahib. A token of appreciation for Engineer Punsab Tashi Sahib, Honorable Executive Councillor, LHDC Kargil. A token of appreciation for worthy Deputy Commissioner cum CEO, LHDC Kargil, Shri Rakesh Sir, IAS. A token of appreciation for Honorable Vice Chancellor, University of Ladakh, Shri Professor Dr. Sakir Kushwaha ji.
In Kargil for their support, for helping us host this conference, especially to the Hill Council here, to the Academy of Arts and Languages, and to the CEC, to the DC, to your Member of Parliament, to everybody who was also here with us this evening to show their support. I think it's a big commitment to show support for research on Ladakh, research, documentation, studies of the region. Many of the young students and scholars even from Kargil presented at the conference, and we were really happy to see so many come forward to make their presentations. So yes, I think it's been a successful conference, and we hope that more people will come to the next one, which we will hold in 2 years' time.
Ma'am, some of the local scholars had a concern regarding the rejection of papers and acceptance?
We work on a review basis. So we are an academic organization. We have standards that we have set and that we have followed for, we've been in existence now since, this is our 21st conference, but that means we've been around for at least 40 years. So papers are reviewed. There is a committee, there is a review committee, and we blind review. So we don't know who is sending in the review when we are reviewing it. So yes, we do have high standards, but I think those are standards that Ladakhis can aspire to, and that many people from Ladakh have shown that and demonstrated that they can do it. And we're taking, we want to present Ladakh on a global platform. So we want scholars to also learn, and we have also offered assistance to people that if you need help with your presentations, if you need help with writing your abstracts, we're there to help you, because we want you to excel in a global platform, not just local, but global. Yeah.
Ma'am, what would be the future initiatives of ILS regarding the research and study about Ladakh?
Well, everybody who is a member of ILS has their own particular specific area of study. They all do research in topics that interest them. It's nothing that we enforce on people to study, but we are always there to encourage, to mentor. If people are looking for reading lists or they want any assistance with their help, we're always there for that. And we just hope that, we can further the future of research and documentation and study in Ladakh, because it's important to know your past, to acknowledge your past, and then as we go into the future, it helps to know your past. It doesn't mean that you're stuck in time, but just that, you know where you come from. I think that's the most important thing.
And how did you find the 4 days conference in Kargil from research to presentation?
Oh, I thought it was excellent. I thought most of the papers were really good. I couldn't hear all of them because I was also, busy with other things. But I think a lot of the presentations were of a very high standard. Some of the things I had never heard before. So yeah, I was very, very pleased, very encouraged, and yes.
At the end, ma'am, what's your message to the people and intellects of Ladakh?
I think we have a lot to learn from Ladakh. But I also think that a lot of knowledge is getting lost here. People are moving on. New ways of doing things are coming in. And I think it's important to learn from your past as you move towards the future.
Thank you, ma'am.